Hello everyone. I am artist Mutasami. Today I will teach how to draw artichoke with pencil. Step number 1. Light sketch, basic outline. Step number 2. Start shading details. Step number 3. Build midtones. Step number 4. Increase background contrast. Step number 5. Refine that outline. I might do some of them. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, friends. Please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click bell icon. Thanks.